Let's start by taking our bear out for a walk. We're going to inhale with our hands in light fists, bring them up all the way above your head and turning to the side. Exhaling down to your lower abdomen. Inhale, breathe, look up. Exhale, down. Inhale, twisting, turning from the hips and the waist and exhaling back down to the center. Now step forward on your right foot and come off of the back heel as you twist and bring your arms up above your head. Inhale, twist, try to keep your balance and exhale back down. Enlivening the spine. Inhale, as you turn, look up, twist, back heel off the ground. Come back to the center and repeat on the other side. Shifting the weight forward and back each time. Forward, inhale, look up, exhale, come back to the center. And breathe. Bring your hands now into a bear claw at your chest and then turn. We're going to step forward, turning from the hips and the waist and back. Exhale, push, shift forward and turn. Come off on your heel. Exhale, shift weight forward, come off onto your heel and then lift the back foot off the ground as the bear looks over the shoulder. Keep your balance here. Inhale, return back to the center. Working on balance and strengthening the forward leg. Don't forget your bear claws. Switch sides, take turns in each side and twist. Exhale, forward, rotate and lift your leg off the ground. Exhale, forward, twist and lift. Feel into the strength of the bear and lower your hands and breathe. Integrate that feeling, that chi. Step forward, lift your arms up in front of you. Shift your weight back, lean back, roll down through the body and the hands are pushed forward. Inhale back, exhale push. Lift the wrist and then now move. Float your arms up to the side and the other way and push forward. Inhale and return. Hands down. Over to the other foot now. We're going to inhale. We're going to exhale, push forward. Inhale, float the arms back and roll down and push forward again. Inhale back, push forward as we play with the branches. And now to the side, circular motion. And to the other side. There's a lot of weight shifting in this form. Working with our spine, grounding through the rib cage. This is a dynamic exercise. And return. Step your back with your feet together. And breathe. Step forward and lift one arm up and have the other hand under the elbow. We're going to swing the arm back and we're just going to knock forward. We're knocking against the tree. Opening up, vibrating the energy of the body. Bring your arm back, circle round and exhale, bump the tree. Come back to the center. And let's go on the other side now. We're going to inhale, bring our arm up, loose fists and bump the tree. Feel the vibrations through the body, knocking on the energy of the universe. Inhaling. Circling the arm back and then knocking. Establish your connection to your energy source. Inhale and exhale as we integrate this move.